ditch and up onto the pasture. Good, good boy. Ugh. All right, let's trot. This is his first time to trot downhill. That was very good. I don't really like the ground in there. All right, let's come right. Come right. I'm going to trot down. Set your butt. Good boy. Yep, we're going to avoid that a little bit. You went by it the other day. Oh, you silly boy. Hey, we're going to walk down this time. Walk down. Set your butt. Set your butt. There you go. Good boy. It takes a little bit to teach them that. That's right, set your butt. Good boy. Set your fanny, set your fanny. Got to get your head up and your fanny down. Good boy. So we'll give him a day to think about it, and then we'll come back and do it again. Whenever I wonder if in this light cart, oh my, that might be an awful lot for them to pull up the hill, I think about the fact that if we were going across the yard and they suddenly wanted to go the other direction, they would have absolutely no problem pulling me. And so yeah, I don't think it's a problem. Let's working trot. Such a good boy. Nope, 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 nope. I want rhythm. I want a nice slow rhythm. There you go. That's good. What a good boy. Boy. As long as the wind's blowing okay, we'll make it past the dead cow, okay? We'll lost a cow that had calved in the freezing weather, and it weakened her so badly she couldn't get up. So Dave put her down rather than come back and find her partially consumed by the coyotes and still alive. You're a funny boy. You and the bugs in your nose. I'm really hoping to get this whole drive on today onto YouTube. My computer has been corrupting files, so I may go to my office in town and use my town computer and see if it will do it without corrupting the files. Look at you, what a perfect rhythm. Very relaxed. All right, Gale, I want a slow trot. There you go. A little bit more. There, right there. Trot. Working trot. All right, now come back to a slow trot. Easy. Good, right there, good boy. Takes a long time to get there, to get it steady. Lots of practice. Amy says it's hot out here. Doodlebug says, sitting on the seat, you get a nice cool breeze. Working trot. You see that he put more energy into it, but he didn't take a longer, he's taking a little longer stride, but not faster. As he matures, this gait will have a whole lot more power to it. And it will be faster because he's got more impulsion. And he'll be covering more ground with the same steps. Red is definitely calving. What a good boy. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. This fence is where we walk from. I don't remember Red calving last year, but this year, every time she has a contraction, she turns around and gives her butt a dirty look. It's entertaining. Walk on. Where's that nice walk we had going out? Hmm? No semis coming either direction. Well, he's starting up.